If Minecraft crashes due to too many mods, you may need to uninstall or reinstall the game. In this video, we'll show you 2 ways to completely uninstall it on your Mac. To fully uninstall Minecraft, remove the game and its support files. Here's how. Open Finder and go to the Applications folder. Locate Minecraft, then move it to the bin. In Finder, press Command+Shift+G to open the Go to Folder window. Type ~/library and press Enter. Look for Minecraft-related files in the following subfolders and delete them. Empty your bin to ensure everything is deleted. For a quicker way to uninstall Minecraft and remove all associated files, you can use App Cleaner and Uninstaller. Here's how. Launch the app and it will scan your applications folder. Find Minecraft in the list of apps and select it. Turn on Expert Mode to view all application files and folders. Select the files and click Remove. Confirm your choice. And that's it. Now you know how to completely uninstall Minecraft on your Mac, either manually or with a helpful tool.